How are IHL rules updated or reformed over time? Breaking news in the world of international humanitarian law. Many are asking how the rules governing armed conflict are kept up to date. This topic is more relevant than ever as conflicts evolve. People are searching for clarity on how these laws adapt to modern warfare and humanitarian challenges. Let's break it down. International humanitarian law rules, including those in the Geneva Conventions and the laws of armed conflict, undergo updates through various methods. One key way is through treaty amendments and protocols. The core treaties, like the Geneva Conventions of 1949, can be supplemented by additional protocols. These protocols are negotiated by states to address new issues or clarify existing rules. For example, the additional protocols of 1977 expanded protections for victims of both international and non-international armed conflicts. Another important aspect is customary international law. Some rules evolve through consistent state practice, reflecting a belief that such practices are legally obligatory. This allows for adaptation even without formal treaty changes. Judicial interpretation also plays a significant role. International courts, like the International Criminal Court and various ad hoc tribunals, interpret international humanitarian law provisions in their rulings. Their decisions help clarify legal standards, especially regarding violations and accountability. The International Committee of the Red Cross is another crucial player. As the guardian of the Geneva Conventions, this organization monitors compliance and advises states on implementation. They also promote the development of international humanitarian law. International conferences and diplomatic efforts provide additional platforms for discussion. States periodically convene to address challenges and potential reforms. These forums allow for dialogue on issues like new weapons and cyber warfare. Furthermore, the dynamics of contemporary conflicts demand attention. The increasing complexity and duration of modern conflicts, along with challenges like attacks on civilians, pressure the international community to consider reforms. Recent conflicts have highlighted the need to strengthen protections against indiscriminate attacks. In summary, the updating and reform of international humanitarian law rules is a dynamic process. It involves treaty development, customary law evolution, judicial decisions, and active engagement by states and international bodies. This ensures that the legal framework remains relevant to protect human dignity amid changing warfare conditions.